How to change bank account on Discover card. To change the bank account linked to your Discover card, you will need to follow my steps. Visit the Discover website and log in to your online account using your username and password. Once logged in, look for an option such as Account Settings, Profile, or Manage Account. Within the account settings, find the section related to linked account. Look for an option to update or change your linked bank account. This may involve providing the new bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Discover may have a verification process to ensure the security of your account. Be prepared to provide additional information or confirm your identity. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.